Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fill up Fiji passenger arrival card. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, lot of countries have this incoming passenger card or arrival card requirement. Okay, be it Thailand, India, Canada, Australia, or you name it. So similarly, Fiji has this kind of requirement. They may have different mediums like Canada. For Canada, you can do arrive can and also online and also at the port using the kiosks nowadays. So for Fiji, you get this. It's very simple to fill up, and I'm gonna show you. So you have to use blue or black pen, okay? And for every passenger, including minor, you need to fill up a separate card. Okay, you have to write it in English and using capital letters. Family name, given name, permanent address, very simple passport number, nationality, date of birth, gender, address where you're going to go, usual occupation, flight number versus port where you boarded this flight ship. So if you're going through the multiple flights, the flight that takes you into the country of Fiji. Okay, that you need to write over here. This section only if you are a Fijian citizen or resident. That means you are returning there, so they're gonna ask you questions like what was the purpose, which country you spent most of the time in your trip, how long you were away, what was your status. That's why. And for travelers, like those who are not a Fiji citizen or resident, they can fill this up. Expected date of leaving Fiji, when you are gonna leave. Purpose, what is your usual country of residence? Okay. This you can fill up. Okay, now this you have to tick. Goods which may be prohibited, such as drugs, weapon, including that one. More than 250 sticks of cigarette, more than 2.5 liter of spirit, wine or something. Now, health and biosecurity, food, animal products, biological specimens, soil, okay, holy water, human remains, and then data sign. That's how simple it is, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching.